Yeah, I kind of feel bad. I'm sitting there saying, well, this thing feels like it ain't got no power. Okay, we're gonna swap bikes. I'm gonna try this. I've actually rode this, haven't I?
Yeah, you have.
Oh yeah, we swapped when I was on the 250.
Yep.
Now I ain't got this nice comfortable seat like you do. Oh man, that is nice.
Took long enough to get it.
You're gonna notice that seat's about like the one you had.
You want me to lead?
Yeah. That Harry ride you notice how that clutch is really light?
Well, it's a lot different.
It's crazy.
Man.
Even the feel of the bike when you're sitting on it, it's not the same bike.
It feels bigger, doesn't it?
Well, yours feels humped up or something.
Hey, this bike actually feels bigger.
Yeah, this thing feels smaller. It feels like it's real short in the front. I don't know. Oh, I can tell a huge difference in power.
Yeah.
Can you?
Yes.
I mean, when I'm gassing it right there, I'm like, go, go. Not saying nothing bad about your bike. I'm just saying, that one there, you gas it, it wants to go. You got your signal on. Oh, you're turning.
Yep.
I don't have to tell you that. But feel the power when you go up through there. Get on it and go. And yeah, you run off and leave me.
Yep.
And I'm trying, but you're probably not even trying. Yeah, I can do this. Now see, when I was riding your 250, this one, and you was riding mine, this one felt like it had more power than mine.
It did.
And now I get on this, it feels like it ain't going nowhere.
This whole bike is set up completely different than mine in feeling.
Wow.
It feels different.
I didn't think there was that much difference. It's been so long since I rode my 250.
Yeah, I think there is. Your dash, the numbers are all bigger and stuff.
Yeah, it's awesome. Just stay on that one for a while. We'll keep going to your house or whatever.
All right. Take your life into your hands on 37.
There ain't no joke. Crossing this road. Yeah, you can go. I'll get your bike creamed right here.
we may have to wait a while. It must be getting off time.
I was up there at Walmart one time, and the light would not change, not change, not change. So finally I took a right, went up there and done a U-turn, come back. This feels different just sitting here.
Yep.
Does that feel taller?
Yes.
This one feels shorter.
I'm having trouble with the clutch. The clutch is much lighter.
Yeah, I did for a while. Your clutch seems just, I don't know, not as grabby, more smooth, but it's not as light.
Yeah, it's got a lot more response when you take off.
And there ain't no doubt. Like when I was going there, I was giving it all wide open on the throttle to lock, but it didn't feel like this thing's going anywhere. I can't believe the difference.
There is.
And like I said, yours felt better than mine, so when I get on mine, it will be a turd.
Yeah. It instantly goes.
Huh?
I give it the throttle,
yeah.
And it just went to climbing.
Yeah, I'm in 6th gear right now, and that's throttling it wide open right now.
Yeah.
Trying to gain up on you. And you're not wide open, are you?
Oh, no.
Get her gas.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, see, you're going to run off and leave me now. We started pulling away.
Here at the bottom of the hill, so. Well, I'm a little early on the signal.
Yeah, yeah, you are. Well, that is incredible. It's been, I don't know, 300 something miles since I rode the 250L. Maybe I don't want to ride mine now. No, I still, like I tell people, I still love my 250L. That bike is the best bike I've ever owned. And, you know, until I got this one, I still have no regrets.
Well, I'm wishing I hadn't rode your dang old bike. I was completely happy.
Yeah. Well, you can feel it.
Yeah. It's got a little bit of different engine sound to me.
Yeah, it does. It's like the engine to me is louder than this one.
Yeah.
This seems quieter. The suspension feel different.
Yep.
Even the feel, everything, the tank, all that looks different. It seems weird to you, don't it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
It was, when I first rode it the first day, I was like, well, this is weird, but you like it weird.
Yep. I like the dash. Instrument panel. This is my first time on one. I have to say, they done good.
Yeah, they made big improvements.
Yep.
In the places where they needed to be. They didn't need to make a fire-breathing Dragon or one that's, you know, they made the improvements where they need to.
It does have noticeably more power.
Right.
Especially just 300 miles, it ain't broke in.
And the bike just feels like, to me, I don't know, it feels like it handles better, steers different, you know, just lean in the feel of the handlebars and stuff. It feels different.
These are stock handlebars.
Yeah, and that's stock handlebars.
That's a rough-ass road.
Wow, big hole. Them foot pegs probably feel big to you compared to these.
I like the foot peg.
Yeah, these feel small now. And these you got are the same size as my stock ones that I had. They're the same. I just got them DRCs on there, or Zetas. Your feet don't slip off them.
No. Oh, got a bug.
I did too at the same time.
I should put my shield down.
Oh, my shield's up. Or down.
Mine was up. I got a bug in the eye.
I'm riding it enough now, I'm getting back more familiar with the 250L. After riding it this far, I'm feeling back, I can remember.
Like it used to be.
Yeah.
Yeah. I do like my seat better.
Oh my goodness, this seat is amazing. It's a huge difference. It's pretty bad. I got on that bike, got on this one, now my butt's feeling better. Has nothing to do with you, just the seat. Seat concepts.
Yeah. They make a good product. I was happy with them. I wish they could have shipped faster, but as far as the product goes, I had no regrets.
Good things come to those who wait, I guess. Huh?
That's what they say, and I'm a little bit impatient turned.
Yeah, it does seem kind of strange with that license plate on my bike. Instead of Woodsman. Yeah, you're gonna leave me with ease.
Smooth, just smooth.
It's crazy how, and I really like the 250L. I mean, like I said, I actually didn't want that bike at first, and now when I ride it, it feels like, why am I twisting the throttle and it's not going nowhere?
I'll trade you.
There's a huge difference in the power.
Yeah, there is.
Man.
It feels like the handlebars are set up different.
Yeah, and I think they're the same bend, but I don't know. I'm sure they're the same bend.
They may be.
This is how to make a good video comparing the two, switching riders, because you're used to this and I'm used to that now. So.
I'm getting pretty used to this now.
Yeah, just go on.
Yeah, we're back at the core farm.
Yeah, I mean, I'd hate to switch back after having it now. I mean,
Well, I would too if I was you.
even though I was used to the 250L and I actually didn't want it, I was happy with it.
Yep.
And I didn't realize until now there was that much of a difference. Even when going from the 250 to that, I knew it, but then now switching back, you really feel it.
I guess I've got to trade back now, right?
Huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Man.
You wouldn't think it 1 year's difference.
Yeah, I kind of feel bad. I'm sitting there saying, well, this thing feels like it ain't got no power. It just,
Yep.
And it's bad. I mean, like I said, mine don't have as much as yours, I don't think. And then, but I was getting on this thing, it's like, you know, I'm hitting all the way to the stop and it's not going nowhere.
Hello, Sam.
Wow. Huge difference. Sam didn't chew me up.
She'll lick you, though.
Lick me to death.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Well, you got better hand guards.
For now.
Because I don't have none. But I got a set at home just like it.
I like that brand.
Yeah. And you got them mounted good. They look good. Okay, guys, I'm going to get off here. So I thought we would just take and swap bikes and see the difference. And it's a vast difference both ways between the two bikes. It's like I said, a lot of people think that when you buy a 300, you're just getting a 250L and they up the cc's on the motor, but that's not true. It's a completely different bike. The engine is, of course, the same basic engine with more cc's, but the bike is completely different everywhere.
It's set up different.
Yeah,
It feels different.
Feels different with the different frame and it's all just different. The 250, after going back, this felt so small, it felt like it's dumpy. But to me, it felt like it was shorter or more dumpy.
They should have the same footprint.
Yeah. It's crazy. Yep. Click thumbs up, guys. Catch you on the next one. Right on.